We follow nature's example to achieve maximum performance. Superior industrial lubricants are key in metal working, diminishing friction, reducing abrasion, they separate and protect. ZET-CHEMIE GmbH was founded in 1989. Today the company employs 35 people and is an important supplier to the metal processing industry, selling 12 million litres of lubricants every year. On 4,000 square meters of sheltered warehousing, we produce metal processing oils, cleaners and corrosion products in compliance with current environmental standards. Entire road tankers are loaded and unloaded in a liquid-tight steel collecting basin. The storage volume, comprising base oils, additives and finished goods, amounts to 1.5 million litres. Via piping systems, mixing containers are loaded straight from the storage tanks. Approximately 1,000 different formulations for all types of metalworking are stored in the mixing plant control system. At the in-house laboratory, a seamless incoming goods inspection and output control is carried out. Cutting-edge laboratory devices continue driving forward product development. Our quality management enjoys ISO 9001-2008 certification. Our environmental management has been examined and validated in accordance with the European EMAS scheme. We not only sell our products, we also provide the associated on-site service. Relying on our own fleet, we ensure speedy and reliable delivery as well as the taking back of empties. We also see to it that your used lubricants are properly disposed of. ZET-CHEMIE, high-performance lubricants and service for the metalworking sector.